was that? Okay. Alright, we are actually on a highway. And we're going.
No, we're not.
Well, it's a road.
It's a road, yeah.
It's not a highway, but it's a road.
The places are like not opened right now.
It's a medical business park.
But the places are not open, so we decided it'd be fun.
So this is Carmen behind the wheel on the actual road, though.
Yes. Yeah. I've done it before, actually.
So it's her first time. See what she does. You want to flip it out?
You can.
Let's flip it out.
Alright, let's go.
Give you the view of her actually driving.
Normally you'd stop here, wouldn't you?
If they no yield sign or stop sign, I would look and make sure.
I ain't know that.
Just take her right here. You could go that way too, but we're gonna come back. So yeah, go up here. Watch out for the birdies. The birdies.
He's cutting in front of me. Doctor's office.
If you want to turn around.
In here?
Yeah, turn around in here. We're gonna go back.
Stop. So I gotta stop.
Turn around here. Take a right. See how good you turn around. Okay, turn the wheel for me. Okay.
See, is that like a road up there?
I'll just work on you backing up. There's a car there, so go ahead and go here. I think there's a dock over there. Just, what are you doing?
I was gonna stop right here.
Okay.
Just cause there's like no one here, so.
And you have to use those mirrors. You don't have the backup camera. She can be taking driver's ed in September.
Yep.
So I'm trying to get her a little bit comfortable behind the wheel on actual roads. Okay, it's done. Pretend it's the busy part of the day, and obviously you're taking a right. So.
Yes.
And then once you take that right, right here, you're gonna take a left. I'm gonna send you through a roundabout.
Okay.
Okay. There's a sharp curve right here, okay?
Yeah, I know. I see it. I'm not going to go up there because it might be hard for me to turn.
You go ahead, go okay.
Am I doing good?
You are going okay. And right. Can't see that. Thought that was a road.
That's fine.
My bad.
I can work on it. My U-turns. Do gotta stop. This is actually a road right here.
Yeah. Make sure there's nothing coming before you do it. Nothing coming up here. Nothing coming there. Just pull up and back up and then do it, okay?
I was going to see if I can do it.
You're not going to be able to do a whole U-turn.
Not like you did.
What are you doing?
I'm gonna do this.
Okay. Did it. I didn't think you'd be able to do it. I didn't. I thought you'd be like, you know. So how's she doing, guys? Thinking about doing a live stream. Some live streams. It's her driving. Here you go.
I'm I'm good.
See, hey Carmen, can you get your phone and see if anybody texted you?
No.
Huh?
No.
I asked you to get your phone.
You can see if anyone texted me though.
So I'm testing her. Go this way.
This way?
Yeah. I'm gonna do a roundabout circle here.
Oh, all the way around?
Yep. I'm gonna show you guys. Go around. Go around this circle.
Or should I go on the park?
No, just go around this circle. Until you then stop. Okay. Stay left.
She'll make me dizzy. Alright, car, you can go. Alright, you can do it, I promise.
And then you're gonna take her. You're gonna bear right. Okay? We're trying to find a good spot.
Yeah, this is fine. Sorry.
Okay. Well, guys, if y'all want to see a live stream, I'm gonna try to get this video up here today. It's gonna be a short one, so but it's all good. And
So
just,
good in the hood.
yeah, that's right. Just a little thing to see if you guys want to see some live stream with Carmen driving. And you know,
We can go to this place that we know they're like both connected, and they're like there's like this road that leads from one to the other. So we can go there, and then Dad will obviously have to get back in the driver's seat, and we can go to some other places too.
yeah.
Still get it really good because he blends in.
Hey guys, we out exploring, just doing our own little Nautica, right?
I want to do it.
Okay, so Carmen's gonna get the camera out. Look right in here, guys.
Stop. He's right there, guys. He's so cute.
Let's hit it and just...
If I can poke him.
No, don't hurt him.
I don't want to hurt him.
Can they hear?
I don't know. It's so cute, though. Look how cute it is. It doesn't even look slimy.
I know.
It must be one of those ones that doesn't live in water.
He's a dry one. He's an old grandpa looking one.
Buddy! I think it'd be cool to own a frog. Where'd it get to?
Yeah, you can own him.
Where'd it get to?
Yeah.
There he is on camera.
Why don't we find all kind of unique stuff?
Yep. I'm gonna see if frogs have teeth. I mean, every animal has to have teeth.
I don't know. Where'd they get to? Oh, there he is. Can you pet him?
No, don't. Let me do it. He's not even moving. Although usually on their upper jaw, the teeth are used to hold prey in place until the frog can swallow it. They only have 2 teeth.
Oh, okay. So there you go. They do have teeth, though.
See? Only 2.
Oh, okay. Education for today. If I can get a good shot of a butterfly, let's start looking out for that.
He went away.
I'm sorry. He's right there.
Where? I can't see him.
Well, maybe not. I was just wanting to see him move.
My old froggy friend.
I don't know what that is over there.
I don't know, it looks like a stretcher. We should go driving a little bit more.
I was hoping to get a shot of the butterfly. We was trying to find a secret grave.
It's like a secret grave thing that I saw in 6th grade, and I never got around to see it.
Yeah, but it's blocked off. Was trying to figure out how.
And I don't know how else to go see it. back.
Today we are in class. We are going to be studying about frogs. So I'm going to ask Carmen if she can answer the first question. Hey Carmen, can you answer the first question on how frogs, or does frogs have teeth? Carmen.
They have teeth, just I don't
Carmen, what are you doing with the keys?
I drive a car.
What? How do you drive a car?
Because I got held back 2 years. I had to be with your stupid class again.
You know what? I am not going to tolerate that talk, young lady.
Okay, send me to the detention. I don't care.
You never told me about frogs.
They have 2 front teeth, and that's it.
Oh. Well, I'm going to throw this away. That's all. See
How am I
this?
supposed to get home?
I don't know. You should have figured that out. Now get up, young lady, and go to the office right now. I said get up, and I'm going to throw these keys off your head so hard this key's going to stick in your forehead.
Okay.
That's it. Go. Leave. Get out of my class. I don't want you here no more.
Dang it, I died.
And no playing on phones either. You understand me?
Yeah.
And get your butt up and leave this school. I'm the nicest teacher here.
I don't believe so. Pretty harsh.
What? Keys, you, phone, go.
But you're holding on to my phone. How am I supposed to get it?
That's a good question. We'll figure that out when we cross it. Right now, I have a phone.
You also have a phone.
What was that? Okay, we're hearing some creepy stuff there, but back to you.
Well, we're having class outside anyways. It's pretty dumb.
You call me dumb?
Yeah. I'm telling the principal that you hit a kid. Teacher.
We're not
No trespassing, skateboarding, bicycle riding. Oh.
That was. I'm here letting Carmen drive, so I'm gonna give you a better shot of this artwork that these kids done. Here comes a crazy woman now. This right here is pretty cool. Monopoly. They call it Parkopoly. See, Carmen? In class, just visiting. That's pretty cool. You got the sunshine over the ocean. And the flag, the American flag. Jeffrey, busting out of the parking space. Old Jeffrey the giraffe. Alright guys, well, I am done recording the artwork in the parking spaces here, and it's about time to call it quits, go get something to eat. So hey Carmen, I'm fixing to walk around up there, okay?